Hi, it's Megan here. I just want to give you an update on how our pigs are healing our land. It's currently late May 2025 and this is our 4th year, but only I believe it's been 2.5 years that we've been rotating pigs in the back paddocks, only on using electric fencing and learning. Hello. You tell them about your new paddock. An easy identifier, if you don't know too much about soil health, is, I would say, does this land look happy or does it look sad? And land and soil look happy when there's all different shapes and sizes of leaves and lots of different plants. So in their new paddock, they'll be in here for 2 days and then they will be moved. And then they will be continued to be moved every 2 days until they go to market. I know. One scratch. Trying to make a video here. You want to scratch too. So have a close look down here, and you can do that at your land or when you're at the park or in the bush. You've got one size of leaf here in one shape, another one there, the grasses. You've got smaller leaves down here in different shapes and sizes, and there as well. And that looks like some pea. There's peas all through here. So they're now enjoying their brand new cover crop. And I'd have to say this is our first successful year of having thriving biodiversity. Isn't that right? Yes. We're just constantly learning. So there's some shapes. Look down, different shapes. And they're different shapes. So the more friends plants have, the happier they are. They get to thrive together underground. The happier the plants are underground, the happier the animals are that are eating those plants, whether it be us that are the animals or the animals that also nourish us. Do you have anything to add? Excuse me. Would you like to give an interview? What's it like living here? Any complaints? Apparently not. Not this week. The tables turn really quickly though.